Your Excellencies, members of the Diplomatic Corps, senior government officials, I was going to say members of the Indonesian National Police delegations, but I believe they're not here at the moment, Your Excellency. We expect them tonight to join the symposium later on. Anyway, welcome to them. Members of civil societies, friends, ladies and gentlemen, Nimbula Binata. I'm glad that looking around the room this morning, I can see familiar faces that have made their commitment to serve Fiji and to ensure that we have a safe and a secure Fiji. Ladies and gentlemen, I wish to take this opportunity also to extend to the Commissioner of Police and members of the force and your families, sir, my grateful appreciation for a well-planned and informative tour I have just recently undertaken in various units within the force. To the Divisional Police Commander Western, your senior staff and members of the force manning the various police community posts in the country areas of the Western Division, thank you for your commitment and thank you for your hospitality. The tour, sir, is yet to be completed. However, the Fiji Police Force is a wonderful host, and I'm sure members of this symposium will testify to my claim in the course of the next few days. Mr. Commissioner, I'm honored to be invited here this morning to officiate at the opening of this symposium, the second Fiji Police Community Policing Symposium, and also to launch Fiji's new community policing model. Ladies and gentlemen, as you all know, the Fiji Police Force has enormous responsibility to perform through government's strategic plans. I am delighted the force continues to uphold and maintain the development momentum set by government to achieve the national goals through commitment to the People's Charter for Change, peace and progress. To maintain a peaceful and secure Fiji is an enormous task, and we all know that the Fiji Police Force cannot do it alone. It needs our support. The theme of the symposium of Advancing Community Policing for Economic Growth is a commitment that calls on all stakeholders to acknowledge that we have a role to play, to maintain an environment that is safe and secure, as well as promote an enabling and supportive environment for economic growth, needs our cooperation. A safer Fiji will certainly be a haven for business entrepreneurs who wish to come to Fiji to do business with us. It is also a draw card for our visitors to our shores. Most importantly, for citizens of this country to continue to enjoy the beauty and diverse cultures of this nation. It is, therefore, our collective responsibility to ensure we make every effort to make our nation safe and secure from those who are bent to take advantage of our porous border, as well as those who indulge in criminal activities, such as those we have witnessed recently. These events only emphasize the need for better community networking to eliminate these evolving criminal trends. The launch of the new community policing model for Fiji is indeed an achievement born through partnership between the police and the community at large. The partnership provides a structured platform of working together through trust, as well as to maintain and preserve the values that we hold dear to us, which is the cornerstone for a progressive and forward-looking partnership. I congratulate the Fiji Police Force and all community workers and members who have worked tirelessly to bring about this model into fruition. I'm sure it has taken to heart the unique community structure and values of Fiji. Ladies and gentlemen, the development of social network is a community of its own. They pose new challenges, and I hope the partnership will take this into their stride, developing a strategy on how to communicate and network with them. As I have alluded to earlier, we can only be relevant if we can connect and network to meet the new challenges facing us. Having a model that we can now proudly call our own is certainly not a means to an end, but the gateway to building a new relationship amongst all stakeholders and a tacit commitment to building a better Fiji. I wish all stakeholders the very best in the establishment of the new model of community policing. Fiji's very own model of community policing, but we all must take pride to be part of our homegrown product, committed in keeping our communities safe. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Commissioner, I have much pleasure in declaring the second Community Policing Symposium open and also to launch Fiji's new community policing model. Another volume.